Okay, I have 8 magnets here on this rotor and 8 magnets on this rotor. Same magnets, evenly spaced. So now I can make magnetic gears. And I'll have one rotor be turning the other rotor. Doing this one-handed. I found just a little bit of an angle. I could get it going pretty fast. So they're all the same polarity, the magnets. So you can see it kind of pushes it. So they're repulsive. So, magnetic gears. I'm not sure how I'm going to power it. Maybe I should power both at the same time, or I'll figure it out. So this should help when I loop, when I do one and the other. So just thought I'd do this video. Okay, thanks for watching.